I'm making pancake.
Can you show me?
Wait. So we rub it like this. You roll it like this. And then squeeze it down.
How about we make a real pancake?
What? Yay! First we need to wash our hands. And then this is the sugar, baking powder, and flour, and salt, and milk, and egg, and food color, and
Vanilla?
vanilla, and
What's that? Oil.
oil.
Okay, let's wash your hand.
So I wash my hands already, and I'm gonna mix all the dry ingredients. Flour.
Alright.
Is it full?
Yeah.
Like this.
Alright, put it in there.
Why is it so little?
Yeah.
It's so much.
Alright, put it in there.
You just need a little bit.
So,
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
okay. So we're finished with this. Okay, can you mix it?
Wait. Okay,
Okay, crack the egg first.
how do you do?
Oops! Very good. Alright. Okay, we need to dry your hands. Just a minute.
Do I need to lick my hand?
No. Here, dry it.
Okay, I dried it already. The milk.
Okay, here you go. Whoop.
And put it around and around.
I think that's alright.
Why is it so red?
Okay.
Red?
Whoop.
Cool.
Alright.
Thank you. Look how it gets so red. I can do it. It smells really good.
That's it.
After we mix the mixture, we cook it. And here we go.
Let's cover it.
I want to do it. Yeah, the heat will be trapping inside. Okay, after cooking, we are gonna eat it! Yay! Yay!
Okay.
The butter! Yay!
Okay, eat na. Here's your butter. I'll get some butter.
I prefer the bomb! After I cut it. Ah! Hot. It's still hot.
Good.
Maybe it's better. Really good. Good. Super good. That's right.
Can I have some?
Hmm?
Can I have some?
Of course you can.
Thank you.